Hi, everyone. I'm Don Taylor, and tonight my guest is Jim Hewson. Jim, when did you first decide to become a broadcaster?
Don, don't you think we should just be focusing on the game?
All right. We'll have to reschedule the interview.
May. Great save by Joseph. Amonte shoots the puck. Yager gets the pass from Joseph. Langkow jumps on the loose puck. Stoned by Joseph.
You know, I hear Abe Lincoln had a pretty decent shot in his day.
Yager. Robitaille grabs the puck. Yager has it now. Burke shuts the door.
They keep sending them in, and he keeps sending them out.
Lidstrom knocks him off the puck. Yager has it. Brewer corrals it. Phoenix picks it up. Joseph makes the save.
They all do it. It was just his turn.
2-on-0. Westland. Burke denies him. Nagy. Johnson gets checked.
Pops him with a hit that would have knocked the bumper off a 57 Chevy.
Westland grabbed the puck. Phoenix takes it. It's 1-on-1. A delayed penalty call against Detroit. Nazarov with the puck. Timonen will get the gate for cross-checking.
Jim, when you play hard in a hockey game, sometimes you take penalties.
Phoenix now has the upper hand.
Let's see if they can force their opponent's hand and grab a goal on the power play.
He gets shoved. Doan grabs the puck. Langkow. Amonte now with it. Amonte scores!
Sends one skyward and leaves the goalie with his head in the clouds.
Detroit gets a wake-up call.
Too bad they just hit the snooze bar.
Tony Amonte, assisted by number 11.
May gets hold of the puck. It looks like we're in for some fisticuffs.
Fisticuffs? Any more phrases like that and I'll have to start calling you Gentleman Jim.
Well, it's pretty clear who won that one.
Yep, Jim, for one guy it's success, for the other guy it just hurts.
Lidstrom stops the shot. Joseph made the save. Short pass. Robitaille.
Number 32, Brad May, a 5-minute major for...
Yager shoots! Burke hits the post. Nagy shoots the puck. Lidstrom grabs it. Iserman. Burke turned the shot away.
This guy makes it look easy, but it's not. Trust me.
Amonte gets rubbed off the puck. Lemieux. Iserman, wrist shot. Grabbed by Phoenix. Amonte. Doan moved it. Amonte fires hard. Solani takes over. Lemieux. He scores upstairs.
Launches a jet right upstairs into the net. You see, Jim, he moved this way, dished the puck off, and he one-timed it. Hey, my telestrator's off.
Don, that's an Etch-a-Sketch.
Oh, no wonder.
Don, they didn't waste much time getting back into this game.
Come on, Jim. This is the first period, where men are men and pucks are nervous.
Caberlet goes offside, and the play is stopped. Iserman
in the first period.
Burke makes the save. Doan.
20 minutes does not a 60-minute game make. Sometimes even I wonder where I come up with this stuff.
Congratulations. You're being moved to
Welcome back to the second period, everyone. I'm Jim Hewson.
I never tire of that. Nice delivery, buddy.
Thanks. The face-off goes to Detroit. Robitaille corrals the puck. Caberlet scoops it up. May got it. He dumps it in. Phoenix gets a hold of it. May fires it. Joseph denies him.
His job is to throw himself in front of a speeding puck. Think about that.
And he covers up. Lidstrom. And that's icing. Solani. Mera knocks the puck loose. Phoenix gobbles it up. Solani. in all alone. Fires it. Huge save.
Oh, man! That is what I'm talking about!
Burke hangs on for the whistle. Nagy is down on the ice and obviously in a lot of pain.
Yep, he got hurt all right, and a hip injury is not fun. No injury is fun. Yep.
Amonte puts the puck into his own team's net.
There's a goal that'll turn more heads than an alligator on a leash.
They've moved ahead by one.
Yes, Jim, a classic case of one-upmanship.
Briere gets laid out. Brewer gets called for a two-line offside pass and play is stopped. The face-off goes to Phoenix. Robitaille. Yager one-times it. Vannanen. Briere gets muscled off the puck.
And he didn't even have time to yell ambush.
Phoenix takes control. Briere gets out-muscled.
Apparently he forgot to look both ways before crossing the street.
Shot quickly. Misses. Robitaille with the puck. Phoenix puts its scoring line out. Robitaille went long. Chelios takes control of the puck. May. Lemieux takes it. Phoenix scooped it up. Langkow. He gets laid out.
Sure, that hit was fun, but I wonder what it would have looked like underwater.
Door slammed shut by Burke. May. He gets laid out. Amonte takes possession of the puck. Joseph makes the save. Shatan gets knocked down.
Couldn't he maybe have hit him with some feeling? I mean, is that asking too much?
Smolinski. Smolinski with a wrist shot. Markov gets in the way. Amonte has the puck. It's one-on-one. Shoots it. Joseph, great save.
And you can add one more save to his personal stat sheet.
Smolinski. He gets rubbed off the puck.
Not enough follow-through. Not by a long shot.
Phoenix takes possession. Briere pulls some fancy moves.
If that was me, I would have pulled a muscle.
Nieuwendyk gets the pass from Joseph Shatan. Amonte gets hold of the puck. Caberla gets it. May in control now. Solani pushes him. It's one-on-one. Lemieux pushes May. Joseph closed the door. May shoots the puck into the crowd. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Brewer.
In the second period.
Nylander shoots the puck from the right. Burke stoned him cold.
The breaks are a key part of the game, though generally not highlight material.
With enough speed to cause serious injury.
Woo-wee! This has been one heck of a tight battle so far.
It's on to the third period where the action is a-happening. Briere knocks him off the puck. Lemieux. Yager stops the shot. Vannanen scoops up the loose puck. Mera. He dumps it in on the inboards. Lemieux with it now. Checked. Chelios jumps on the loose puck. Long pass. Vannanen knocks the puck loose.
All indications are that it was a puny hit.
Doan. He jumps on the loose puck. Lemieux fires. Yager. Burke stones him. Shoots the puck. Joseph denies him.
One man's obsession, keeping pucks out of the net.
Westland shoots.
No need to hit the net every time, Jim.
Westland shoots the puck. Denied by Burke. Caberla takes control of the puck. Westland cranks one. Burke stoned him. Timonen with the puck. Brewer wrist shot. Saved by Burke.
This is your typical story of puck meets net. Not
May. Shoots the puck from the right. Saved by Joseph.
supercalifragilistic effort there from our man in the crease.
Brewer takes possession of the puck. Williams now has it. Robitaille! He scores!
After a goal like that, a guy could retire happy.
Detroit won't want them back in the party now.
Kind of like me at staff parties. Why is it I always end up getting locked outside?
No reason, Don. No reason. Phoenix gets called on a two-line pass. Amonte. Lemieux shoots the puck from the right. He gets it. Shot the puck. Amonte scores. Top shelf.
That shot had the goalie looking like he dropped the contact lens.
They look baffled by that last play, and it could come back to haunt them, too.
That's a little creepy.
Odeline scores against his own team.
He's on a real tear here and rips his way to an awesome hat trick.
And that will tie things up nicely.
They're facing a revitalized opponent who's figured out a way to break open their defense. Not where they wanted to find themselves.
Burke stones him cold. Mera jumps on the loose puck. Lemieux. Mera, hard shot, saved by Joseph. Robitaille picks up the puck from Joseph. Lemieux. Robitaille he scores!
This can't be good for the goalie's PR.
That goal shifts the balance of the game.
They've got the proud bearing of champions, wouldn't you say? Look at those cleft chins, gleaming eyes, good teeth. That's just the team mascot.
Nieuwendyk is a goal short of making the 500 career goal mark.
When he does make it, it will be a major accomplishment.
Smolinski. Shatan. Gets away a hard shot. Burke turned the shot aside. May picks up the puck from Burke. Burke is going off the ice.
One goal behind in the final minutes. This is going to be a wild, woolly one.
Caberlet grabs the puck. Smolinski trapped offside and play is stopped. Amonte is playing a superb game tonight. And here's another look at goal number 3. Doan. Phoenix is going to yank the goalie and throw out the extra attacker.
Cool, this could get good.
Timonen. Lemieux shoots! Empty netter! Detroit has ensured itself victory now.
But they can't get careless. Believe me, when you get careless, mistakes happen. Sorry again about the whole...
Scores!
He gives his team a gift and sends it airmail.
Detroit goal.
Lemieux had the puck. Detroit has it now. Lidstrom. Yager. Phoenix has it. Doan gets laid out.
In Spanish, I believe those are referred to as El Cruncho Grande hits.
Briere dumps the puck in. Detroit takes it. Lidstrom. It's 1-on-1. He takes possession of the puck. Flanks one. Mera gets in the way. Gets the shot off. Kalanos stops the shot. And we're all done here now. Detroit claims supremacy. You wouldn't know it to look at the final score, but these guys played a lot of time shorthanded.
But they'd look just as good playing with 4 men on the ice as most teams do with 5.
For Detroit, number 66, Mario Lemieux.